your peers and fellow mates. Here you connect with your teammates, uh, learn together, and grow. Moving forward, Hani will be taking over. Thank you.
Thank you, Prithviraj. So, what is GDSC BVM up to? At GDSC BVM, we basically organize various sessions like information sessions. For example, we had Praveshik 21, we had Introduction to Teachable Machines, and many more such events were organized by us. Then we also organize study jams, like the recent one was Android Study Jam. We have hands-on sessions, like we had a session on how to build web portfolio using WordPress. Then we also invite experts for talks on various technical domains, like we recently had an interactive session on blockchain development. Now let's look at the events which were conducted so far at GDSC BVM. In September last year, we had this event called Praveshik 21, wherein we gave an introduction to various domains in tech, and they were basically all Google technologies. Like we had Android, we talked of machine learning, Google Cloud, web development, and many more. Then most of you may have heard of the 30 Days of Google Cloud Challenge. We had it last year in October. Alongside, we also organized study jams, cloud study jams for the same. A lot of students from our college were a part of it, and maybe around 60 to 70 students. They were able to complete the tracks and receive the goodies as well. Then we had Android study jams. This is a very recent one. In this, we collaborated with different GDSs and we organized this session on YouTube, wherein things related to Android development from was taught from scratch. So these were few events we had. There are more actually. You can just visit our site where you will find more such events. Moving on to the next slide. Now look at this. We are coming up with our biggest collaborative event, that is GDSC Wow, wherein we have ample of learning and growing opportunities for each one of us here. Before anything, let's have a glimpse of what GDSC Wow actually is. So we'll be playing a reel for you here so you can get an idea of what GDSC Wow is. Yes, start please. So here you might have got an idea about what GDSC Wow is. And this will be a 3-day long event and it is completely beginner friendly. The registrations will be starting soon, so stay tuned. And here's the QR code to all of our social media handles: Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and many more. We have our website link here as well. You can go through all of them and explore more content here. So you can scan the QR code right now and join in our community, and you can get regular updates regarding all the new opportunities which are to come. You can do it right now. I hope you people are scanning it and joining in. Meg will also share the link in the chat box so you can have a look at that as well. So I hope you have scanned it. If not, you can refer the link in the chat box. So moving on to the next slide. Let me introduce you to our team. So here we have Dr. Vatsal Shah. He's our faculty advisor. Asa Gupta is our lead. Akshat and Jainir are our head organizers. Our mentor is Jay Patel. Then we have Abhishek and Khushi Mehta. They are our chief advisors. Here's our tech team. We have Vatsal, Mann, and Smith. Our document professionals are Devanshi and Isha. We have Anisha Singh as our creative writer. And this is our graphics team. This is me, Honey, and we have Meg Shah. This is our PR team. We have Prithviraj, Cherish, Manav, and Nishant. So this was our team in brief. And this was a brief introduction to what is GDSC BVM and what all happens here. So that was all from me. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, Manav.
Thank you, Honey. So, how was it, guys? Share your reactions by making the comment section flooded with GDSC BVM OP. I'm waiting for your reaction, guys. Great, great. I can see the reaction of Smith Bhimani, Jarish Vaidya, Akshat Trivedi, Charmi Wagela. Great, you guys are awesome. Tilak, Ruchi Sharma. Great, great. Now, before moving to the next part, let me ask some interesting question to all of you. So, is there anyone who is working on any project like things or has worked on a project in past? Just raise your hand. Come on, guys. Just raise your hand if you are working on a project or you have worked on a project in past. Okay, so I think there is no one who is working on a project. No worries. Let me share one experience of myself. So I participated in an event named Rejuvenate the Web organized by the community last year. And the solution challenge was there to help me boosting up my confidence and making the project live. So I couldn't make it to the finals, but it was the nice experience. And the solution challenge was the event who boosted up my confidence and helped me to making up the project live. Now let's see an amazing video about solution challenge provided by Google. Okay, so the video was awesome, right? Now I would like to invite Isha and Smith to give a brief introduction about solution challenge. Over to you guys.
So, many of us in some way try to build an application or tool that can be implemented in our real life. But the problem we face is either we can't get a right topic to build an application that can help to improve the life of humans, or if we build such an application, we can't get right platform to showcase our talent. Here's where the Google Solution Challenge can help us. As said, creativity is a song of knowledge, imagination, and action. In same way, Google Solution Challenge is providing us the platform to convert our knowledge and imagination into an application or tool which solves the problems that our community faces. Solution Challenge is the annual contest or a hackathon of 2-3 months which basically invites students from all over the world to develop ideas and solutions for a given problems using one or more Google technologies. So basically here we have to build a solution to a given problems using Google technologies and our application should be implemented in real life. This is the great opportunity for all of us to kickstart our careers by learning through doing. Every year, a different set of problems are given to students, which can improve the lifestyle of common people and creates a positive impact on the society. Now, a question is what the problems are. So, this time, Solution Challenge 2022 goals to solve the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Problems. Before moving to what the Sustainable Development Goals are, let's have a glimpse of Solution Challenge 2021. The goals of Solution Challenge 2021 were same as the goals of Solution Challenge 2022. To understand a little bit about what kind of application have to make, let's have a look at top 3 winners of Solution Challenge 2021. First, Demeticare from Singapore. It is an app equipped with many features which helps dementia patients by sending urgent notices, SOS, etc. Second, Eye of God from India. It is an easy to use navigation system for visually impaired people, acting as their virtual can to help them navigate to their destination all by themselves without needing help of others. Third, iRise from Philippines. It is a disaster risk management system that aims to bridge the information gap between local government units, disaster risk management officers, and people. Now, what are sustainable development goals? Almost all of us are aware about the term sustainable development. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals were created in 2015 and aim to be achieved by 2030. 193 United Nations member states were agreed upon it, and it aims to end poverty, ensure prosperity, and protect the planet. The Sustainable Development Goals are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all of us. They addresses the global challenge that we faces including poverty, inequality, climate change, environmental degradation, peace and justice, etc. Moving to next slide. So, in Solution Challenge 2022, we can use Android, Firebase, TensorFlow, Google Cloud, Flutter, or any other Google technologies to build a solution for one or more of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals that can promote employment for all, economic growth, and climate action. Further details will be shared by Smith. Thank you.
Hello guys. So once all the projects are submitted by the March 31st, judges will evaluate and score each submission from around the world using the criteria list. From there, winning solutions will be announced in 3 rounds. In the first round, the top 50 team will receive mentorship and experts to take the solution to the next level and many more exciting prizes. The second round, top 10 teams will receive a swag box and the opportunity to showcase solution to Googlers and developers all around the world during the virtual 2022 Solution Challenge Demo Day live on YouTube. In the third round, top 3 teams will receive a huge cash prize of 3,000 US dollars and a feature on the Google developers blog. So, with a passion for building a better world, savvy coding skills, and with little help from Google technology, we can't wait to see the solutions students create. Moving on to another slide, Google will provide Solution Challenge participants with various resources to help students build strong projects for their contest submission. That can be live online session with Q&A, mentorship from Google, Google developer experts, and the Google Developer Student Club community. Curated code labs designed by Google developers, access to design sprint guidelines developed by Google Ventures, and more. Moving to another slide, you must be wondering where to start. So the first step would be to participate in the challenge by the link given in the chat box. And you must have to join a Google Developer Student Club of our college. The second step would be is to form a team, and the next step would be uh, the third step would be you have to select the problem. You can select one or more of the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals to solve for. The next step will be is to brainstorm and think of the solution to the problem. The next step is you have to design the user interface. After finding the solution, it is all downhill from here because you just have to implement your solution into the line of codes. You have to build an application that contains front end and back end part. In the front end, you have to make a useful and meaningful user interface to help the other users to surf through your application. The next step would be you have to build the backend technology that will function all the functions you need to support your application. You can use any technology to build your project. That can be Android development, web development, augmented reality, machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud, IoT based, etc. The next step is to test your solution by using different test cases. The next step would be if some error occurs, then you can modify and iterate your project to rectify the errors. The next step is to record all your solution and submit your project when it is completed. The deadline to submit the project is by March 31st. That's all from our side. Over to you, Mano.
Thank you, Smith. And I request you guys to be interactive. Like language is not a barrier here. So आप लोग किसी भी लैंग्वेज में मेरे से बात कर रहे हैं, वो चाहे इंग्लिश हो सकती है, हिंदी या गुजराती भी हो सकती है. So keep it interactive, guys. And with saying that, now it's time to reveal the surprise. Any guesses? You guys can turn on your mic and share your opinion, or you can write it down in the chat box. Please, guys, turn on your mic or write your guesses in the chat box. Come on, come on. Okay, Tilak is saying no idea. Charmy guessed it right. Fun quiz. Kudos to you, Charmy. Cherish, Isha, all you guessed it right. With Bhimani is saying quiz. Yes, it is right. Akshat Trivedi is saying goodies, but it's wrong. Akanksha Jain is saying Gujarat ka famous dokla. Okay, Akanksha. But if it was offline, then we would think about it as well. But it is online, then there is no chance for it. We will think about soon. Okay, parcel na. नहीं आकांक्षा हम कर देते हैं पार्सल चलो. Okay, so we have organized an interesting quiz for you guys. I'm sure that I haven't come across to the quiz like that one, and I would like to invite Meek to conduct the quiz. Over to you, Meek.
थैंक यू मानव. हेलो एवरीवन. आई होप आप सबने ये सेशन एंजॉय किया होगा. आप सबको तो पता चल ही गया है कि सरप्राइज एक फन क्विज है. तो आर यू एक्साइटेड गाइस फॉर अ फन क्विज? प्लीज
Yes.
ओके ओके, you can write in the chat box. Yes, great guys. Okay guys, okay, so you can go through the www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin which are displayed on the screen, or you can go through the link which are sent in the chat box. Great, Gabbar Singh, Smith, Mickey, great guys. फनी निकनेम ही रख सकते हैं आप. Great. Great Devans, Charmi, Sahil, Hemangini, nice. Anyways, Mickey, तुम्हारी मिनी कहाँ है? Jokes apart, guys. Oh, Coding Baba, nice. Mahek, Seal. Oh, Virat Kohli, nice, guys. Jordan, yes. Let's 2 or 3 minutes more wait and then start. Oh, Kashmiri, Darth Fateh, Tokyo, nice. Dhokla, very nice. तो फिर चलते हैं गाइस. अब स्टार्ट करने का समय आ गया है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट गाइस. 3, 2, 1. What's his name, guys? जितने जल्दी आंसर दोगे उतने ही पॉइंट्स ज्यादा मिलेंगे. जल्दी गाइस. ओह ग्रेट गाइस, 13 लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. कीप इट अप. तो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. फिल इन द ब्लैंक. ये एक मूवी का डायलॉग है, आप पूरा कीजिए. ग्रेट गाइस, ग्रेट. जल्दी गाइस, जल्दी. ग्यारह लोगों ने सही आंसर दिए. नाइस गाइस. तो फिर चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. और ये क्वेश्चन ये रहा. Who is the man in question in this meme? ओहो ग्रेट गाइस, 16 लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. वैसे मीम बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं सबको. बढ़िया. तो फिर चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. व्हाट्स द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ITUS? जल्दी गाइस, जल्दी. जितने पॉसिबल हो उतने ज्यादा जल्दी आंसर दो. ओह 13 लोगों ने गलत आंसर दिया. सिर्फ 4 लोग ही है जो सही
इसका
आंसर.
आंसर तो इसकी टोपी उसके सर नहीं आता.
नहीं भाई नहीं. चल रहे, कोई बात नहीं गाइस. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. लिसन केयरफुली दिस सॉन्ग एंड गेस. ग्रेट. 12 लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. तो चलिए एक नजर स्कोर बोर्ड की ओर करते हैं. और फर्स्ट 10 पे गब्बर सिंह, सेकंड पे ढोकला और थर्ड पे रुचि. नाइस नाइस. ढोकला हैज अ स्ट्रिक विथ 3 करेक्ट आंसर इन अ रो. तुसी छा गए ढोकला यार. ग्रेट गाइस. तो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ ऑक्टोपस ब्लड?
Two options same.
ओ, 10 लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया है. ठीक है ठीक है. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. ट्रू और फॉल्स? ओ सो सैड गाइस. मेजोरिटी आंसर ने गलत आंसर दिया है. कोई बात नहीं. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. व्हाट फिनोमिनन डज द मून अफेक्ट ऑन अर्थ? ग्यारह लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. नाइस नाइस गाइस. तो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. व्हाट इज द फोर्थ लेटर ऑफ ग्रीक अल्फाबेट? तो सही आंसर है डेल्टा. और 9 लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. ग्रेट गाइस ग्रेट. तो एक बार स्कोर बोर्ड की तरफ नजर डाल दे. और फर्स्ट है अनी, सील, जॉर्डन, मिक्की, कोडिंग बाबा. ग्रेट ग्रेट. मिक्की इज बैक इन द गेम. ग्रेट मिक्की ग्रेट. तुम्हारी मीनी नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी तुम बैक आ गए. ग्रेट ग्रेट. तो चलते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर. और लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहा. आई होप आप सबको एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर पता ही होगा. नाइस नाइस. 10 लोगों ने सही आंसर दिया. सही है सही है. बाकी लोग बीबीएम में ही पढ़ रहे हैं ना. चले कोई बात नहीं. तो अब एक नजर फाइनल स्कोर बोर्ड की तरफ. थर्ड नंबर पे है जॉर्डन. सेकंड गोज टू सील. एंड फर्स्ट गोज टू अनी. Congratulations guys. We have runners up Mickey and Soumya. Great guys, great. Congratulations to all. Congratulations to again all. So, Annie, Seal, Jordan, how was your experience, guys? Please turn on your mic and say. कोई बात नहीं कोई बात नहीं. चलो कोई और अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेगा?
Nice research, by the way, Meg.
थैंक्स गाइस, थैंक्स। थोड़ा सेशन इंटरेक्टिव रखो गाइस। चलिए, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन टू विनर अगेन। एंड सेशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। ओवर टू यू मानव।
Thank you, Meg. So the quiz session was fun, right? Congratulations to all the winners and the participants as well. Now, for a memory of this event, I would like to request all of you guys to turn on your cameras, and our team members will also do the same. And one of us will take a snapshot of it. So come on, guys, please turn on your cameras. I request all of you to turn on your cameras. Come on, guys. Great, great. Okay, so I think the snapshot has been taken. You guys can turn off your cameras. Thank you, guys. Now, moving further, I would like to invite Asta Gupta for the announcement of Solution Challenge. Over to you, Asta.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Asa Gupta. I hope you enjoyed the session so far. It will be great if you can spam the chat box with your reviews about the session so far. We are just 38, so be free about sharing your reviews. There is no bound here. Thank you. So before jumping to Solution Challenge, I would like to congratulate everyone who participated in 30 days of Google Cloud and won the goodies. Is there anyone here right now who has won the goodies in 30 days of Google Cloud? Can you please raise your hand? Okay, so everyone from the core team, no one else. Okay, Vatsal, can you please share your review about 30 days of Google Cloud and how did the facilitator help you and how was your excitement about receiving the goodies?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Vatsal.
First of all, I would like to thank this GDSC BUM to give this opportunity to for everyone to conduct such events and motivate everyone to participate in these types of events. So the Google Cloud was much interesting, and due to the goodies, everyone was more expected to do the do the events. Otherwise, everyone were so busy in their lives that if without goodies, no one would do such types of course. So it was a very nice program by Google Developer Student Club, and that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Vatsal. I hope others too enjoyed the session and the campaign and even the Android Study Gems that was held last month. So since we have mentioned that we are coming up with many exciting events, we are also coming up with Solution Challenge, that is a global event, and it is basically a hackathon. So if you have many doubts about Solution Challenge, like what are the UN sustainable goals and what products you can use for project and how you can network with others, so don't worry, your doubts will be solved in the Global Solution Challenge kickoff event. Feel free to join this event on 19th January 2022 at 7:30 p.m. Meg has dropped the link in chat box. Just go to that link and click on the RSVP button. And don't forget to join that event on 19th. to clear all your doubts. We hope we'll see some active participants from BVM this year in Solution Challenge. And if you still have any doubts regarding Solution Challenge, feel free to contact any of us. Over to you, Manav.
Thank you, Astha. So here is the QR code. On the by scanning it, you can join our community. Hello, is there any doubt? Okay, so I think it was accidentally on. So you can join the community by scanning this QR code, and if you are having any question, you can drop it in the chat box, and you can turn on your mic as well. So are you guys having any question? I think there are no questions. So I would like to hear your experience. So let's have a talk with Jordan. So hey Jordan, how are you? Hello, can you please turn on your mic? Okay, I think Jordan is having trouble turning his mic on. Let's ask to Kushank Jariwala. Hey Kushank, how are you? Can you please turn on your mic?
Yes, it was fun. Quiz was OP and a very nice session, and I am excited about the solution challenge.
Great,
It was
great.
great.
And from which department are you? And from where are you?
I am from computer second year.
Great, great. Thank you, Kushank, for sharing your experience with us. Now, moving towards the conclusion, I would like to invite one of our head organizers, Akshat Trivedi, to share his thoughts and conclude the event. Over to you, Akshat.
Thank you, Manav. At first, I would like to thank our Honorable Principal Sir for allowing us to conduct such events at BVM, and our Faculty Advisor Vatsal Sir for constant guidance and support. I would thank the GDSC lead Astha and the whole team for their efforts in organizing such a great event. As discussed in beginning, GDSC throughout the year conducts different info sessions, speaker sessions, study jams, competitions, etc. The technology you use impresses no one. The experience you create with it is everything. And GDSC is the perfect platform to learn how to create such an experience. And being associated with Google will definitely help you in the future. I thank you all for being part of the event. Hope this was mesmerizing event for you all, and keep participating in upcoming events of GDSC.
If you have any further doubts, you can ask us, or else we can conclude the session. You are free to leave.
Hello.
Yes, Ruchi.
So, ma'am, what if I want to join the solution challenge, but I don't have my own team? Like I am from Ahmedabad, and I'm from a different college from yours. So, if I want to join this challenge, is it compulsory to have a team of mine?
Yes, Ruchi. You will be needing a team of 4 at least to be a part of Solution Challenge.
So, if I make a team inside my college with my fellow students, and I have to register them all together.
Yeah, from the 4 of you, anyone can register and you can participate in.
Okay, so thank you.
You just have to be a part of any of the GDSC, you can join GDSC BVM, and under that you can participate in Solution Challenge.
Okay, so like the one link I have gotten from your side beforehand, I have joined that one, and
Yeah, okay.
like before after that in this session also one of your fellow colleagues shared a link to us on in the chat box, and I went to the link and it would be showing me that I have already joined. So am I like already joined in that your GDSC BVM? How am I knowing that I have
Sorry.
already joined a Google developers?
Okay.
So,
If you go to the community dev platform,
Okay.
Just go to community.dev, gdsc.community.dev,
Okay.
but I'll share the link. By the way, which college are you from?
I'm from Swarnim Startup Innovation University.
So that college doesn't have a GDSC?
No, ma'am. I don't think they have.
Okay, don't call me ma'am. You can just call me Astha.
Oh, okay, Astha.
Just go to this link and search for Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya Engineering College Anand.
Okay.
And when you go to that page, you will get a pop-up that you have already been in this group since the date, and you will get an option of leaving the chapter. Don't leave the chapter though. This message will indicate that you are already a part of the chapter.
Okay. 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 Thank you so much, Astha.
Thank you, Ruchi. Sahil, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes,
Am I audible?
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so you're asking about becoming a part of core team. Which college are
yes,
you from? Are you from DVM?
yes, BVM,
And your
second year, fourth sem.
Okay, so the new team will be formed by June or July of this year. So at that time, you can apply for the core team.
Okay, okay.
Thank you, Akansha. Guys, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave. Ruchi, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes, Darshan.
I'm having one doubt that for a project, I'm not having much knowledge about any much more skills. So
Okay.
for that skills, we can refer you Google only means through your.
Yes, there will be many resources provided to you, and if you have a proper idea, you will also be given mentors directly from Google. So just put up your ideas and apply for it. Your idea don't need to be extraordinary. It just you should have the courage to participate. Uh, so don't worry, just apply for it, and if you have any doubts, you can join the kickoff session on 19th. So there they will also be discussing about the products and the resources that you can use for the project.
Okay, thanks. Actually, I was just a freshie, means I'm a freshie at this year only. So just wanted
Yeah,
to.
it's okay. You can form your team. You can select participants from other year as well, and accordingly you can work on your project.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Thank you, ma'am.
hello, Astha.
Ruchi, I was saying that if you have any further doubts, then you can join the kickoff event on 19th. So you'll be more clear about the event and how to register.
Okay. I have already registered myself in that.
Okay, great.